In the heart of every match, there's a player chasing perfection. Meet Nawed, a rising star in the world of badminton. Even the smallest detail can break the rhythm. Speed, agility, and precision, it's all in the game. But there's one thing he can't afford on the court: dirty shoes. He reaches for the tool trusted by athletes, Neatkix. Engineered for speed, designed for simplicity. A shoe cleaner that doesn't just work, it performs. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, Neatkix works like a charm. Just spray, brush, wipe, and shine.